guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Gabby and this is the makeup look that I have for you today. This is a fall makeup tutorial and I love how everything turned out. I love the eyes, the lips, everything, and it was super easy to do. So if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. So first I'm gonna apply my primer. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Now for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way from Too Faced in the shade Natural Beige. So I'm applying 2 pumps and I'm gonna put it all over my face. Now I'm just gonna start blending using this Real Techniques sponge. Don't forget the neck, just bring it down a little bit. So this foundation is from medium to full coverage, so I'm gonna add 2 more pumps just because I want everything to look more full. So now for concealer, I'm gonna be using this one from NARS in the shade Custard. Okay, so now for contour, we're going with Rihanna and her Fenty Beauty Matchstick. This is in the shade Truffle. And I'm just blending that with my Real Techniques brush. Okay, so now to set the concealer, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. This one is for the bronzer, and I'm gonna be taking my Smashbox contour palette, but I'm gonna use it as a bronzer, and this is the shade that I'm gonna be taking first. So now for highlight, we have these 2 shades. I'm gonna start with this one, and if it's not bright enough, I'm gonna take this one. So far I'm liking the first shade, so I think I'm gonna stay with that one. Now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder again and my little sponge, and I'm gonna use it to clean this line right here. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera and now we're ready for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. This is the palette that I'm gonna be using today for our fall makeup look. Here are the shades. I'm thinking maybe this brown, this orange, or this purple right here, and then some shimmery shade. I still don't know what I'm gonna do exactly, but it's gonna be fun. So the first shade that I'm gonna be taking is this one called Desert Sand, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Now I'm gonna take this shade called Ember and I'm gonna apply it on the crease and then taking it a little bit to the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take this shade called Saffron and I'm gonna apply it like I did with the last one, first in the outer corner and then taking it to the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna apply it on the corner of the eye. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I really like it. I'm thinking on doing some cut crease. I'm not really good at this, so I'm gonna give it my best. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and then this flat brush from Morphe. So now I have to set the concealer. I'm trying not to look up too much. This is the shade that we're gonna be using, the first one, and we're just gonna apply it all over the concealer. Okay, so now we need a shimmery shade. I'm gonna take this one called Nefertiti and I'm gonna apply it all over the concealer. Wow, it's so pretty. First I'm applying it with my finger and it looks super pretty. Now I'm just gonna take this brown color again and I'm gonna apply it on the corner and then just start blending. Now for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take first saffron and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of the brown shade. Now going back to my Smashbox palette, I'm gonna take the same highlighting shade and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner. Now we just need a wing liner and I'm gonna apply some falsies and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're back. Here are my lashes and my wing liner. I also applied some liner to my waterline, and now for mascara, I'm gonna be taking this one from Benefit called They're Real. Okay, so we're almost done. Now we're just missing the lips. For lips, I'm gonna be taking this matte lipstick from Anastasia in the shade Stevie. This is what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so now we just need to set the makeup using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, you guys, so here's our makeup all done. I am in love with it. I really like this makeup look. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments down below. And okay, you guys, so that's all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!